cuisine, kitchen. Is kitchen your favorite part of the house? Do you always like to cook or just taking the aroma coming from that part of the house? Kitchen, cuisine. And the third one is salle à manger, dining room, salle à manger. You know, when I was going through this lesson plan, a thought crossed my mind, and that thought was, when was the last time you ate? When was the last time you took your food to your dining room? Be honest. Maybe as a family or as an independent individual, when was the last time you took your plate of food or your tray of food to the dining room and set it on the table and ate? It must have been a very long time. Okay, we eat where we find peace. Not like there's no peace in the dining room, but it's more like a stereotyped structure, and nobody really wants to be stuck to that, isn't it? Right. So the last on our list is La Chambre. Very, very important. Where we sleep, lay our head after a hectic day at work. La Chambre. That is bedroom. So tell me, what part of the house is your favorite spot? Now that I asked the question, I'm thinking about mine. I think mine is my bedroom. Yes, mine is my bedroom. You would hardly see me the dining room or even in sitting room. I am always in my bedroom. Some they spend hours in their bathroom because they meditate, get inspirations, and they will always want to go to the bathroom. Sometimes a lot of people go to the bathroom to read. So what for me is the bedroom for me. Bathroom isn't it for me. If I get to the bathroom, I would want to be done with whatever I'm doing in there and get out and come back to the bedroom and do whatever I have to do. So that is all about parts of the house. And just like I said from the beginning of the class, that we have series and lots of parts of the house, depending on the house, type of house we are dealing with, whether it's a duplex or a bungalow or one room apartment, just lots of it that was not mentioned here, the veranda and the likes of it. So that will be the end of today's class. Thank you for choosing to stay with me. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share. Please. Oh, I'm not crying. I am not crying. I'm not crying. I will not cry. Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. You know, if I were to be a conventional teacher, I wouldn't have cried in front of you. But because I'm an uncle, I have to cry. Do you know why I'm crying? Why? Just tell me why. Give me one candid reason. You're going to watch this video and exit without subscribing. Why do I have viewers? Just so many of you. You want to come back to watch the video, but you don't want to subscribe. Why? What did I do? Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? Pardon, s'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît, monsieur, madame, mademoiselle, please subscribe. Okay? Okay, so that will be that. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up. And that is because you are going to be getting more content on this channel. Please, I want to say this, it is very important. Please do not forget to always drop your questions in the comment section. I have to meet my objective. Honestly, as an educator, you don't teach for fun. At least maybe myself, I do not teach just for the fun of it. Okay? If you are a certified educator, you should have plans and objectives for every lesson you deliver. So this is a virtual class, I know, but I still have my plans. I still have my lesson plans, and I still have my aims and objectives, and I have to meet it. I have to meet my audience's needs, and you are my target audience. You need to and have to ask your questions so that I can address it. That way, I will have this shooting feeling that the lessons that are being delivered here are well understood by you. Thank you for joining my class. Bye.